silent giant, pure, dear, dear white bear. I clung to you and your strength and beauty, they take my breath away. I've heard stories of your kind, of how you're fierce and wild, but I see only kindness in your eyes, a gentle soul that's mild. I know that we're different, but I feel a connection. We're both creatures of this earth, and we both deserve respect. I hope that one day we can meet in person. I would love to learn more about you and to share my stories with you too. Until then, I'll keep watching you.